Hello and welcome to another episode of Mixology Monday. We got Jake and I'm Robbie. We got an awesome cocktail for you guys today. Today we're making a Basil Rum Spiked Tea. This was brought to us by Sarah Kay out of New York City. So thank you, Sarah, for making this drink for us. This drink is really good, so we're gonna share it with you guys. You're gonna need the following ingredients to make this drink. You're gonna need Basil Carolina Rum, one of a kind, our first export, super awesome drink, basil infused rum. You're going to need peach nectar. We got this at our local grocery store, so you should be able to find it.
It might be in the international aisle or the juice aisle, just depending on how your store organizes.
Totally worth it. You're gonna need lemonade or lemons or both, and you're gonna need sweet tea. So, and we're doing this drink in mason jars full of ice. You can also use a pint glass. These are about the same size. So the ratios will be made for that size of drinkware. So, step one. What's step one, Jake?
2 ounces of basil rum, please, in each glass.
Yes, sir. 2 ounces of basil rum going in the pot. There's 2 ounces of basil rum in each glass. Next up, we're going to need
1 ounce of peach nectar into each glass, please.
Okay.
We are going to add 2 ounces of lemonade to each glass. Not as fancy as usual.
Looks good enough.
Next episode will be Robbie and Jake from the floor. And then finally, we're going to top it all off with some sweet tea. Abundant in the South. Sarah, I'm assuming you probably have to make this yourself. Can't really find this.
Can you find sweet tea up north?
You ask for it and they'll just be like, here's some sugar to add to it.
Yeah.
No, not as far as I know.
Yeah.
That's been my experience.
It's such a weird thing how it's southern.
We like our sugar down there.
Did we get this from Bojangles?
We didn't, but we could, and that would be
hilarious.
Yeah.
We'll have to do that.
True, yeah.
Tailgater, we'll call it the tailgater. Yeah, so we're gonna give this a quick stir. Just bring all these ingredients together.
Add a little lemon garnish to this just to make it
fancy.
Look fancy.
Excellent summer drink, and the lemon garnish just screams, hey, drink me when it's hot.
Exactly. Take me outside.
Yep.
Down to the water.
That's right.
Yeah.
Well, folks, hope you enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and our website. Don't forget to find us in your local liquor store. If you don't see us in your local liquor store, all you have to do is ask. That's how we get into these stores. So enjoy other videos on this channel. So many rum videos. It's a huge asset to making drinks and discovering new ways to utilize rum. And then also utilizing this ingredient. Sweet tea has several drinks.
Peach nectar.
Peach nectar will have several drinks. Lemonade, same thing. So it really helps you utilize all the ingredients you're purchasing. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers. Cheers, bro.